Okay friends, one more problem. If x belongs to open -2 to 5 closed, then find 2x square minus x 1 by x. Just 4 I want. 2x is only, directly I can say that 2x belongs to open -4 to closed 10. Yeah, x square also somewhat easy only. See here, -2 to 5. -2 square 4, 5 square 25. Okay, but don't write open 4 to 25. This becomes wrong answer. Why? Because middle 0 will be, no? -1 after -1, 0, 1. 0 square 0 will be. 0 after 1, 1 square 1, 0 not there, 1 not there, 0.1 not there, 0.2 not there. That's why this is wrong. So what is the correct answer? 0 to 25. 0 to closed, 0 to closed 25. So 0 to -2 square numbers are all involved here only. So 0 to 25 numbers are also involved here. 0 to -2 square numbers and 0 to +2 square numbers are same. That's why actual x square is closed 0 to closed 25. Closed, why I used closed? 0 will be, no? Understood? Okay. So x square belongs to closed 0 to closed 25. Next, what do you want? Minus x. Okay. Minus x, same, minus x, -2 less than x lesser than or equal to 5. I want multiply another side, inequality will alter. 2 greater than minus x greater than or equal to -5, or -5 lesser than or equal to -x less than 2, or I can directly write closed -5 to open 2. Now actual problem is 1 by x. This is interesting thing, 1 by x. This is only the important. Finding 1 by x. See here, reciprocals of these numbers you want to find. Middle 0 will be. We can't find reciprocal of 0. That's why given interval should be divided into 2 pieces. See here, -2 to 0, union 0 to 5. Okay. Now we want for reciprocals of this and reciprocals of this, their union only the required set. Okay. Reciprocals of this already explained. Okay, what is that? -infinity to -1 by 2. 1 by 2 not there means here also won't be. Union. Reciprocal of this already explained. 1 by 5 closed 1 by 25 to infinity. So this is the 1 by x, very important. Finding reciprocal of an interval, some elements negative, some elements positive, finding its reciprocal is very important. Friends, our third part, solving linear inequalities. Important part. Okay, for example, I will explain through examples only. Solve x plus 2 is greater than 0. We want find the values of x so that x plus 2 greater than 0. Okay, solution. So adding -2 another side, x is greater than -2. This saying that your x value is greater than -2, or in other words I can say that x belongs to open -2 to infinity, or sometimes you want right answer on a number line. The number line here -2 open to infinity, all these values will be satisfies. So example 2, 3x plus 1 greater than or equal to -3. We want find x which satisfies this linear inequality or linear inequation. So I can say 3x greater than or equal to -4. Dividing throughout by 3, nothing happened, inequality, because 3 is positive quantity. X is greater than -4 by 3. So what is the meaning of this? X is the real number which is greater than or equal to minus 4 by 3. Or I can say that x belongs to closed minus 4 by 3 to infinity. Or sometimes you want to write on a number line. Somewhere here minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 included because thick circle and all. Okay, simple problem. Now somewhat difficult one. Example 3. Solve x plus 3 into x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0 or greater than 0. First of all, x plus 3 into x minus 2 greater than 0. This is interesting problem. Observe here. This is in the form of a into b greater than 0. I already explained a into b greater than 0. Two things happen. A greater than 0 and b greater than 0. Or a less than 0 and b less than 0. Product is positive means both should have the same sign. Both should be positive or both should be negative. So here we want to find x value which satisfy this condition and this condition. Their union only the required solution. Okay, first of all I want to find the value of x which satisfies this condition. This condition means what? A greater than 0 means feel this is as a, this is b. A greater than 0 means x plus 3 greater than 0 and x minus 2 greater than 0. Here you need to find x value. Here we need to find another x value, a less than 0 and b less than 0. Their union only the solution of the problem. Okay. So x greater than minus 3 and x greater than 2. Okay. So I want to combine these two, x greater than minus 3 and greater than 2. I can combine by using number line. This is number line. Here minus 3, here 2. What is saying that x value is greater than minus 3, greater than, not equal to minus 3, greater than minus 3. All the values. So this is saying that x greater than 2, greater than 2, greater than 2. Not equal to but greater than 2. But the intersection, this is only the intersection. Greater than minus 3 and greater than 2, this area is intersection. Therefore, what I can say, x is greater than 2 is the common solution for these two conditions. Once again listen. The problem is of the form a into b greater than 0. A into b greater than 0 means a greater than 0 and b greater than 0, or a less than 0 and b less than 0. We want to find x which satisfies a greater than 0 and b greater than 0. And we want to find another x which satisfies a less than 0 and b less than 0. Their union only the required solution. Okay. Here a less than 0 means x plus 3 less than 0 and x minus 2 less than 0. Okay, x is less than minus 3 and x is less than 2. I want to combine these two. I want to combine these two by using number line minus 3. This x is less than 2 this side, not equal to but less than 2. So what this is saying that x is greater than minus 3, x is less than minus 3, sorry, x is less than minus 3 this side. So common area is this. What is the meaning of this? X is less than minus 3. Union means x, therefore x less than minus 3 union x greater than 2 is the solution. But sometimes you need to write it in interval notation. So what I can say, so x belongs to less than minus 3 means up to minus infinity to minus 3 union 2 to infinity. So this is the solution of the problem. Okay students, so in this way you can solve linear inequalities, but difficult thing is here only two brackets given, problem becomes easy. For example, in a problem x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 less than 0, we want to solve this problem. We will take this as a, this is b, this is c. Several cases will arise. Only two brackets, product greater than 0, only two cases. One case is a greater than 0 and b greater than 0. Another case is a less than 0 and b less than 0. But here several cases will arise. What happened, Anna? A into b into c should be less than 0. Product of three numbers should be less than 0. These two may be positive, this may be negative. I will write like this here, a, b, c. plus plus minus one possibility, minus plus another possibility, okay, plus minus plus another possibility, minus plus minus another possibility. I think wrong. Okay, wait. All minus possibility. Product should be negative, no? So what happened here? 1, 2, 3, 4 possibilities. Means A greater than 0, B greater than 0, C less than 0, we get one common x. A less than 0, B greater than 0, C greater than 0, another common x. A greater than 0, B less than 0, C greater than 0, another common x. A less than 0, B less than 0, C less than another common x. So we need to combine all those. That is the required solution of this problem. Okay, you can. But problem is given like this. X plus 3 into x plus 4 into x plus 5 into x minus 6, okay, is less than 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 times A into B into C into D should be less than 0. We get several cases. Okay, move by some x square plus 3 into x minus 2 given. So this method become difficult. So we need to search alternate method to solve such linear inequalities. Only 2 brackets, okay, you can solve easily. 3 brackets, okay, you can solve. But 4 brackets are given problem of the form x plus a into x plus b by x plus c into x plus d into x minus f lesser than greater than 0. We want to solve this inequality. We want to solve this inequation by using this method. We can solve, but very difficult. So we have another alternate method to solve such inequalities. So by using that method directly you can solve the problems. That method is called wavy curve method or sign scheme method. I want to explain that now. But we want to apply wavy curve method or sign scheme method, we should follow some rules. So first of all I want to write rules and I will explain.